Every single morning, you are doing at least 3 things that are silently wrecking your metabolism, packing fat on your belly, aging your skin, and raising your risk of diabetes, and you have zero clue. The worst one? 97% of adults do it every single day, and it ages you faster than smoking. Stay until number 7. My own doctor almost fell off his chair when I told him. Let's dive in. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Purely Natural Health. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss a science-backed natural tip. Today I'm exposing the 10 most common morning habits that are stealing your energy, your glow, and even your lifespan. And exactly how to replace them so you can look and feel 10 years younger in just weeks. Number 3, not drinking water, staying dehydrated. You lose almost a liter of water while sleeping. You literally wake up dehydrated. That slows your metabolism by up to 30%, gives you brain fog, and makes you look tired. Fix: keep a bottle on your nightstand. First thing, 16 ounces of room temperature water with half a lemon or a tiny pinch of Himalayan salt. Number 4, coffee on an empty stomach. I love coffee too, but drinking it before eating increases stomach acid by 400% and can lead to gastritis, acid reflux, and crazy anxiety. Wait 60 to 90 minutes after waking. That's when your natural cortisol peak drops. And always eat some protein or healthy fat first. Number 5, skipping a real breakfast or eating sugar. Frosted cereal, donuts, or I'll grab something later crashes your blood sugar, turns on fat storage mode, and makes you crave junk all day. Eat within 1 to 2 hours of waking. Eggs, Greek yogurt, oatmeal with nuts, or a protein smoothie. Number 6, zero morning sunlight. If your morning is bedroom, bathroom, car, office without seeing real daylight, your circadian rhythm is broken. That destroys your sleep at night, tanks your mood, and slows fat burning. Go outside or stand by a window for 5 to 15 minutes within the first hour of waking, even if it's cloudy. Number 7, and this one is the silent killer almost nobody talks about, sitting down immediately after waking up. The second you sit, bed to chair, couch, car, your calorie-burning enzymes shut off by 90% within minutes. Your circulation slows, lymph gets stuck, lower back stiffens. A brand new 2024 study found people who sit within 10 minutes of waking gain twice as much belly fat over a year. Fix: 3 to 5 minutes of movement first. Walk around the house, light stretching, 10 bodyweight squats, anything to get blood flowing. Number 8, brushing with chemical-loaded toothpaste. Most commercial toothpastes have fluoride, SLS, and triclosan that wreck your oral microbiome. Switch to natural toothpaste or do 2 minutes of oil pulling with coconut oil every morning, whiter teeth and zero toxins. Number 9, rushing and running on stress. Late alarm panic mode, cortisol through the roof, belly fat and weak immunity all day. Wake up just 20 minutes earlier and give yourself a calm, slow morning. Your nervous system will thank you. Number 10, having no fixed morning routine at all. When every day is chaotic and different, your body never knows when to burn fat, repair cells, or give you energy. Consistency is the real secret to glowing skin, stable weight, and feeling unstoppable. My 5-minute natural morning routine, bonus. So here's the exact 5-minute routine that changed everything for me. 1. 16-ounce warm lemon water with a pinch of Himalayan salt. 2. 1-minute oil pulling with coconut oil. 3. Step outside, 10 deep breaths in morning light. 4. Tongue scraping, removes 80% more bacteria than brushing. 5. 2 to 3 minutes gentle stretching or Surya Namaskar. I dropped 22 pounds, my skin cleared up, and I sleep like a baby, all from this. Recap plus free gift. Quick recap: stop these 10 things tomorrow. Snooze button, phone first, dehydration, empty stomach coffee, sugar breakfast, no sunlight, sitting immediately, chemical toothpaste, rushing, and zero routine. I made you a completely free printable checklist plus shopping list, link in the description and pinned comment. Go grab it right now. If you're quitting at least one of these tomorrow, comment the word "done" below. I read every single comment. Smash the like button if this woke you up. Subscribe and hit the bell because next week I'm dropping the 7-day natural glow up challenge. You deserve to feel incredible every single day. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Hello friends, if you like my video, then like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe.